Hello friends, my name is Aybek Izzatov and I'm inviting you to my free live presentation of full body and face rejuvenation course happening on July 19 at 3000 Dundee Rd, Suite 306, Northbrook, Illinois. If you've been wanting to bring back that youthful glow, smooth out wrinkles, and feel energized again, this course is for you. I'll be demonstrating how you can rejuvenate your face with simple self-massage techniques. No needles, no surgeries, no chemistry. You will also learn how to restore natural sleep skills and how to sleep deeply and more productive. And more importantly, how just a few days in this course, you will feel a growth and surge of energy and motivation. You'll be amazed how quickly your productivity increases, how that directly boosts your career and even your incomes. And it doesn't stop there. Rejuvenation transforms your inner state. Joy, lightning, and optimism return, bringing with them the new relationships, new professional and personal opportunities. This isn't just looking younger. It's about restoring your entire life. Join me on July 19 and begin your journey to a recharged and revitalized you. Reserve your spot now. Space is limited. I'll see you there.